Imagine a bustling digital marketplace teeming with opportunity. Welcome to the online world of 2024, where geographical barriers disappear. Anyone with an internet connection can become an entrepreneur. It's a digital gold rush with immense potential. Whether it's selling products, sharing knowledge, or offering services, the possibilities are endless. This is the era of the digital entrepreneur. Are you ready to seize your piece of the pie? Gone are the days when a traditional 9-to-5 was the only path to financial security. Now, with a laptop and an internet connection, you can create a business that fits your lifestyle. The key is to identify your passions, leverage your skills, and embrace the tools and strategies that align with your goals. This guide will help you navigate this exciting terrain. We'll explore proven methods like dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and online courses. We'll also delve into leveraging the power of online communities. Get ready to unlock your earning potential and embark on a rewarding journey toward financial freedom. The digital gold rush is in full swing. Are you in? The online world offers diverse money-making opportunities. It's crucial to choose a path that aligns with your interests, skills, and resources. Let's explore some popular methods: dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and online courses. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment model where you don't keep products in stock. Instead, you partner with a supplier who handles inventory and shipping. You list products on your online store, and when a customer places an order, the supplier ships it directly. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products or services. You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Online courses provide a platform to share your expertise and knowledge with a global audience. By creating and selling courses on topics you're passionate about, you can monetize your skills. Each of these methods offers a unique path to online income. The key is to research, experiment, and find the best fit for your goals. Dropshipping has emerged as a popular e-commerce model. It offers a low barrier entry point into online retail. You don't need to invest in inventory up front or handle shipping logistics. This makes it an attractive option for a lean and flexible business model. The core principle is simple. Partner with a supplier who ships products directly to your customers. You focus on marketing and customer service, while the supplier handles back-end operations. This allows you to launch an online store with minimal overhead. However, finding reliable suppliers with quality products is crucial. You also need to differentiate yourself from competitors and build a strong brand identity. Effective marketing and customer service are essential for success. Despite the challenges, dropshipping offers a viable path to online income. Success requires diligence, adaptability, and a customer-centric approach. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn income by promoting other companies' products or services. It's a win-win. The company gets more exposure and sales, and you earn a commission for every successful referral. This model is appealing because it allows you to generate passive income. The process is straightforward. Sign up for an affiliate program, choose products that align with your niche, and promote them. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The commission rates vary depending on the program and the product. Successful affiliate marketing involves choosing the right products to promote. It's essential to select products that resonate with your audience. Building trust with your audience is crucial. Provide honest reviews, valuable content, and genuine recommendations. By following ethical and effective marketing practices, you can establish yourself as a trusted authority and generate a steady stream of passive income. Online courses have revolutionized the way we learn and share knowledge. They offer a powerful medium for individuals to share their expertise and generate income. Whether you're an expert in marketing, photography, cooking, or any other field, there's an audience eager to learn from you. Creating and selling online courses offers several advantages. You can reach a global audience without geographical limitations. Once created, a course can generate passive income as more students enroll. Developing a successful online course requires careful planning and execution. Identify a topic you're passionate about and have expertise in. Structure your course in a logical and engaging manner. Market your course effectively to reach your target audience. The online education market is booming, and the demand for high-quality courses is increasing. By tapping into this market, you can share your knowledge, empower others, and create a sustainable income stream. The internet has fostered the growth of online communities centered around shared interests. These virtual communities represent a new frontier of earning potential. By building and nurturing a thriving online community, you can create a loyal audience and monetize your influence. One approach is to create a membership site where members pay a recurring fee for exclusive content and interaction. This could involve online courses, webinars, forums, or a combination of offerings. Another method is to leverage your community's influence through affiliate marketing. Building a thriving online community requires active engagement and providing consistent value. Moderate discussions, respond to comments, and organize events to keep your community vibrant. The key to success lies in identifying a niche and understanding your audience's needs. By nurturing a supportive community, you can create a valuable asset that generates income. The path to online entrepreneurship is paved with exciting opportunities and inevitable challenges. Fear, lack of skills, time constraints, and the fear of failure are common obstacles. However, these challenges are not insurmountable. By acknowledging them and implementing effective strategies, you can overcome these hurdles. Fear of the unknown can be paralyzing. It's natural to feel apprehensive when venturing into uncharted territory. The key is to acknowledge these fears and take action despite them. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps and celebrate each milestone. The online business landscape is constantly evolving, requiring continuous learning and adaptation. Embrace a growth mindset and be willing to invest in your education. Take online courses, attend webinars, and stay updated on industry trends. Time management is crucial for online entrepreneurs. Prioritize tasks, set realistic deadlines, and leverage productivity tools. Remember, consistency is key. The fear of failure can be a major roadblock, but it's important to reframe failure as a learning opportunity. Fear is a natural human emotion, but it can also be a formidable barrier. In the realm of online business, fear often manifests as doubt and inertia. We question our abilities, fear judgment, and hesitate to take the leap. Overcoming this fear factor is crucial for unlocking our earning potential. One effective strategy is to identify the root cause of our fears. Are we afraid of failure? Do we doubt our skills? Once we understand the source, we can address it head-on, challenge negative self-talk, and replace it with positive affirmations. Surrounding ourselves with a supportive community can provide invaluable encouragement. Connect with other online entrepreneurs, join mastermind groups, or seek guidance from mentors. Sharing our fears and aspirations with like-minded individuals can help us gain perspective. Taking action is the most powerful antidote to fear. Often, the anticipation of a task is far more daunting than the task itself. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps and celebrate each milestone. As you gain momentum, your confidence will soar. Remember, fear is a choice. We can choose to confront it and embrace the challenges and rewards. The online business landscape is dynamic and ever-evolving. Embracing a growth mindset and actively seeking opportunities to expand our knowledge is essential. The skills in high demand today may become obsolete tomorrow. One of the most valuable assets an online entrepreneur can possess is a willingness to learn. The internet offers a vast repository of knowledge, from free online courses to paid masterclasses. Identify your areas of weakness and invest in your education. Networking with other professionals in your industry is another powerful way to bridge the skill gap. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with individuals who possess the skills you aspire to develop. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek guidance. Embrace mentorship opportunities for invaluable insights and support. Time is a precious commodity, especially for online entrepreneurs. Mastering time management is crucial for maximizing productivity and achieving goals. Effective time management is not about working harder, but about working smarter. Start by identifying your peak performance times. Schedule your most challenging tasks during these times. Delegate tasks that can be outsourced to free up your time. Prioritize your to-do list based on importance and urgency. Use a time management system that works for you. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time. Set boundaries between your work life and personal life to prevent burnout. The path to online business success is rarely linear. Setbacks, challenges, and unexpected obstacles are inevitable. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't often boils down to persistence. It's the unwavering belief in our vision and the resilience to bounce back from adversity. Persistence requires a shift in perspective. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, reframe them as learning opportunities. Analyze what went wrong, identify areas for improvement, and adjust your approach. Surround yourself with a support system of like-minded individuals. Connect with mentors or join mastermind groups for guidance. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small. Acknowledging and celebrating your achievements helps you stay motivated. The online world is brimming with opportunities for those who dare to dream big. Whether you're passionate about e-commerce, affiliate marketing, online courses, or building communities, the tools are at your fingertips. The journey to online entrepreneurship is transformative, filled with challenges and rewards. Embrace the unknown, for it is within uncertainty that true innovation lies. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your mistakes. Surround yourself with a supportive community of like-minded individuals. Seek guidance from mentors who have achieved what you aspire to accomplish. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. The time to act is now. The digital landscape is constantly evolving and opportunities are ripe. Take that first step and unlock your full earning potential. Your journey to online success starts today.